Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a calendar in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. In the first cell, enter a month and year, January 2024. Select the cells from A1 to G1 and click the Merge Cells button. Center the text in this row using the horizontal line tool. In the second row, enter the days of the week from Sunday to Saturday. For a shortcut, just type Sunday and drag the cell selector all the way to cell G2. The remaining days of the week will appear automatically. In the third line, enter the number 1 on the day when this month begins. For example, January 2024 started on Monday, so I entered 1 in cell B3. Fill the rest of the dates. You can do this manually or use a formula to speed up the process. Because my start date is in cell B3, I'll enter the formula B3 plus 1 in the next cell. Hit enter and then drag the cell selector to the end of the row to autofill that week's dates. The basis of the next line will be the summation of the previous number and 1, and the next number will be done in the same way. And now we don't need to do any further lines manually. We just take and copy this line and paste it into the next row. As we can see, we got all the numbers and we just delete the ones we don't need. We'll have a calendar with entries, so we add lines between weeks. We change the size of the cells, font, fill colors, and so on to your liking. Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom and select Duplicate to create sheets for the remaining months. Rename the sheet based on the corresponding months. Since February started on Thursday, we enter 1 in this cell and Google Sheets will recalculate all the days of the months. All we need to do is delete the ones we don't need and add the last day of the months. Enter events directly into the cells and the calendar is ready. Now let's create a calendar using the Google Sheets template. Open Google Sheets and click Template Gallery at the top of the page. Scroll down the page and select Annual Calendar. This template automatically fills in the sheets with a calendar for the current year. Click on the tabs at the bottom and select any month and start filling out your calendar. To change your theme, select Format, Theme. A menu opens on the right side and you can choose one of the ready-made Google Color themes or customize your own. It's all, now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.